So I just received the Can-Am integrated cover, which looks like it needs to be installed into the front here, the front trunk. And for some apparent reason, I don't know why they have it installed inside the compartments, as it's going to take up a lot of room from what you can see. Take up most of the room once it's all packed, said and done. So, but let's go ahead and give it a try and see what it looks like, and see if it covers up the rest of the back seat here, and to include the windshield and all. So we'll give it a try. So the first thing we need to do is open up the lid here for the front and loosen up all the pins here, to include one back here. And we'll go ahead and get that started, because we have to get access to the rear of this outlet here in order to install the cover. So that's what we'll do first, is remove these pins first and loosen these up. And you got to do it on both sides of these fairing panels. Alright, and to remove this front cover for this front compartment, it's just these two screws on each end. So alright, we'll go ahead and get this out of the way, take these off, loosen this up, and we'll get to the USB outlets here in order to install the integrated cover. So we'll take out the fairing panels here and slowly be gentle on this end here, because these dart clips easily break. So remove those first. You want to take out the front compartment here, and with a T20 Torx screw, and this, we should be able to take this off and loosen it up. Don't lose the screw now. And we should be able to get access to the rear end where the USB outlet is located at, and unlock. There it goes. Understand this has a little clip on it, and there should be enough room for us to get access to the nut back here that holds the USB, and from there we have to slip on the cover around the ring of the USB. So we'll go ahead and loosen this up. So this is the nut that you need to get loosened. So we'll go ahead and loosen that bad boy up, and from there you should be able to loosen it up by hand. It should have enough access to get to the USB and slide that piece on. Here's the cover, and there's a little cutout here where you want to place this USB right through it, and then put this back on into the compartment itself. So just like so. So that's what it should look like once you have it attached around the USB port outlet, and tighten this back up from the rear end with a nut. So we'll go ahead and put this back in, get reinstalled, and take out the integrated cover and see what it looks like on the bike itself. As you can see, that's what it looks like when it's stored. now we just have to put back the fairing panels the way it came out. And first you want to install this portion in first. I'm gonna get the other one in, tighten it up. Alright, now that we have everything back in place, we'll go ahead and take out the cover, see how it installs over the bike. So this compartment should be able to close at this point. This portion here goes over. As you can see, there's a zipper here for the windshield if you have a windshield. What I may have to lower the windshield down in order for this to work, because I have the Adventure windshield. So with that said, we should be able to this front. Back to the rear end and the passengers. This bottom portion here goes to the peg, like so. There's a stretch on it. And this is pretty adjustable, so it may be loosen this up to reach the pegs. That should latch onto it here, like so. Reasons they find that here. Alright, do the same thing on the other side. Voila. That's what it looks like. The integrated cover.